We're cooking from the Woolworths W list today, and I'm going to teach you how to make an aromatic tea poached chicken with fragrant rice. And the best part? It's all for under 50 Rand per portion. Let's get cooking. The chicken's going to be submerged into this beautiful aromatic broth. It's not only going to pick up the flavor, but it's going to pick up that beautiful amber hue as well. You can see how the chicken's picked up all that beautiful color from poaching it in the tea, and it smells amazing. For the simplest sauce to serve with your chicken, take some of that poaching broth, get it in the pan, brown sugar, sesame oil, and everything soy sauce.